Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how you could get featured on Etsy. So if you want to learn how to have more eyes on your shop, make sure that you watch all the way till the end. Now, if this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe today and hit the notification bell to be notified every single time I upload a new video. And don't forget to like and comment below as well. Now, Etsy this morning sent out an email that now more than ever, they want to share stories from their Etsy community. And you have a big opportunity to tell Etsy a little bit more about your shop for a chance to be featured. And I wanted to make sure I did a video and put it out for you guys in case you missed the email, because it is important to get featured on Etsy if you do happen to win, because that equals more sales ultimately. Etsy will send that video of your shop or that feature of your shop to their subscribers, and they have millions of subscribers. So even if a small percentage of them follow your store, even if a small percentage of them buy from you, that could equal a lot of sales, especially in the pandemic that we're facing. So I'm going to leave the link so you could apply below in the comment section below. And all you have to do is this will be the page that you will land. You go in here, read all of this, take your time reading it, and just include a brief bio and business background about yourself. They want 200 words or less. To do your story pitch, 300 words or less, and then link your Etsy shop, any relevant websites, social media. They do that because a lot of times if they feature you, they'll put those links on the bottom as well so people could follow you. So make sure you include all that information. If you want to learn more on how to create or tips on getting featured, you could click here and it gives you all these tips on what to say, how to write it, everything. So this is going to help you a lot right here. And this is pretty much the submission form here. You tell them about yourself, you describe your business, what ideas or topics you're interested in contributing, how you would like to be involved. Just read all of this and then submit it. But it's a great way to possibly get featured. It's a great way to network. It's a great way to get your store out there in front of millions of people. So it is worth doing for sure. Let me know in the comment section if you plan to do so. I'm actually going to do it today, so maybe I'll get featured, maybe not, but I am going to go ahead and do it myself as well. So let me know if you're planning to do so below. And thank you guys for watching.